Vanakkam and welcome to Conversational Tamil Lesson 7 in the kitchen. This is my favorite video so far because I just love cooking and I really think that bonds are made in the kitchen. So let's get right to it. Food is generally called as sapada, water is tanni, fruit is param. Again, the ra sound, so param. If you really can't pronounce it, it's okay to say param. Not the best way, but we understand you're not an expert. I mean, I'm not an expert either. I'm just sharing what I know. Vegetable is kai, salt, uppu, and sugar is sakkarai. Generally, to cook or cooking is referred to as samayal. Vessel is patram. A spatula or a big spoon is karandi. A big cooking bowl is kadai. Plate is tatta. A cup or a glass, I mean, you can actually just say cup. But the correct word is sombu or chombu. General ingredients, powder is tool or podi. Paste is tokku or chutney. Milk is pal. Curd is tayir, also yogurt. Lemon is elimicham. And tamarind is puli. So lemon rice would be elimicha shadam. Tamarind rice would be puli sadam. Some common fruits, now it's really okay to say in English, but I'm just listing out the actual words anyway. Apple is apple, orange is musambi, banana is varai param, grapes is drakshai, mango is mambaram. Now, of course, when I say mambaram, I mean the ripe fruit mango. If you want to refer to the green mango, which is not yet ripe, that is manga or mangai. Common vegetables, tomato is takkali, onion is vengayam, coconut is tenga, potato is urulakerangu. Now, anything that grows under the ground is kerangu. Okay, so potato is round, so urula means round, so urulakerangu refers to the potato. Greens, now any kind of greens like spinach, for example, is kirai, peas is patani. Now we have something called Aru Suvai in Tamil. So these are the 6 different tastes. So let's just go over them. Suvai basically means taste. So sweetness is inippu. Okay, so if you want to say like it's too sweet, you can say romba inippa irukku. It's salty is uppa irukku. Uppu is of course salt. Spicy means karam. So it isn't spicy enough would be karam pattala. Bitter is kasappu. Sour is pulippu. And there's another taste, I don't really know what the English term is for this taste, so it's a taste that you get when you have fenugreek or the betel nut taste, and it's called tuvarpu. Not a very commonly encountered taste. Supposing you want to describe that the tea is gone cold, you can say tea ari poch. And if you want to say careful, it's hot. You can say path suda. Suda, of course, is hot. Ari pocha is referring to, getting cold. A few items that you find in the Indian kitchen. The pickle is called the urgai or urkai. Vegetable curry generally is called as poriyal. A curry like with a lot of gravy is called as korambu. Okra or lady's finger, the vegetable is referred to as vendakai. Brinjal or eggplant is called katrikai. Drumstick is muringakai. And radish is mullanga. Some common Tamil dishes. Rice is sadam. Some people say shadam. You can also call it soru or choru. I personally prefer sadam. Indian pancake is called as dosa, quite popular. Indian rice cake is idli. The lentil curry that goes well with this is called as sambar. The pepper and tamarind water generally, they are called either pepper water or tamarind water or pepper plus tamarind water. That is called as rasam. And a few sentences. What are you cooking? Enna samakkira, or formally, enna samakkiringa. I'm making dosa with coconut chutney. Naan dosavum tenga chutney seiran. Tell me how to make filter coffee. So this is like a little recipe. Filter coffee eppadi pandrathu? So first we boil water and then we pour it into the filter. Thanni vega vechu filter la ஊத்தணும். So thanni is water, vega vecha is to boil, ஊத்தணும் is to pour. Thanni vega vecha filter la ஊத்தணும். Add coffee powder and leave it for 10 minutes. Coffee தூள் போட்டு 10 நிமிஷம் வைக்கணும். So தூள் of course is powder, போட்டு is to add, 10 is 10, nimisham is minutes, வைக்கணும் is to keep it or leave it. Add some milk and sugar in a cup. ஒரு கப்ல பாலும் சர்க்கரையும் போடணும். So of course பால் is milk, சர்க்கரை is sugar, and போடணும் is to add. ஒரு of course is 1 or a cup. Pour the decoction into the cup and coffee is ready. So decoction ஐ கப்ல ஊத்தணும், coffee தயார். So decoction is your coffee decoction and you pour it into the cup. So ஊத்தணும் is to pour, and tayar is another word for ready, but you can just say ready too, that's fine. So hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next video. Nandri, vanakkam.